This brand is made in America and is a part of Daikin Global. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The brand is only sold through their dealer network in the USA, but the units are backed by a good guarantee. They have aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and compressor sound blankets to lower noise levels. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide supplemental heating. The GPHH3 models are basic heat pumps for slab mounting with a 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the GPH16M units are field convertible from horizontal discharge to down air discharge for rooftop installations. They are relatively loud with an 80 decibel noise level, which is equivalent to an alarm clock. The GPHH5 models are basic single-stage heat pumps with a 15.2 SEER2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the GPHM5 units have a two-stage compressor. Both have a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The GPH16H models are basic single-stage heat pumps with a 16 SEER cooling efficiency and a 8.2 HSPF heating efficiency, while the GPH16M models have a two-stage compressor. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category rating, and the warranty on the units is only average without a unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure.